Hi. So we are in the Steakhouse, which is an added bonus when you come on the cruise. That means you got to pay for it. So we decided we would come here first thing on our first day to enjoy and celebrate our cruise together.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good.
Hi.
How's everything? Cheers. I love it. Okay. Dude, thank you guys.
Oh, it's got a pickle on it. No, no pickle for me.
Would you like some crushed pepper?
I think she
I
needs
think
it.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Can I get you anything else?
I'm good, thank you.
I have some raspberry puree. They have been cooked and taken with some agar-agar. Notice agar-agar is a kind of a seaweed. We got some limes. Okay.
Just some limes.
Then we have some passion fruit puree. It's a condensed passion fruit puree made of passion fruit juice.
Yeah, the ship was like,
Smell it.
like that.
Smell good?
That's the first time that I'm like a bad boy.
Then we have some of the leaves of jasmine tea. They're marinated overnight. The next morning you drain the leaves. We add some vanilla bean, sugar, heavy cream.
The lightning was hitting the water. I was FaceTiming my brother. Like, I'm not good with technology. I have the background on the light that's coming down.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, now it's time for some goodies.
Goodies. Okay.
To begin with, I have some pomegranate pastillas made of pomegranate juice and sugar. Then we have some of the yuzu pastillas. Yuzu is basically a Japanese fruit. Okay, we have pureed. We add some sugar, some gelatin, similar to a jello, but it's a French version.
Okay.
Then we have a pistachio macaron. These are baked on a very low heat for approximately 1 to 1.5 hours and dusted with pistachio powder. And we have white chocolate caramel toffee. The sugar has been cooked, caramelized. We add some white chocolate and cooked it until it's formed like a toffee consistency.
Okay.
Then we have some dark chocolate cookies with salted flakes.
It's a lot of food for you to eat, lady.
Then we have some raspberry leather with raspberry yogurt stuffed and a basil moss. Then we have some of the almond flour. It's called as a pate samble crumble made of almond flour,
Oh, that'd be good.
lime zest, and some sugar. Here's the white chocolate dome. Okay, so I'm gonna crack the chocolate now.
Okay.
So here you go. What we have inside, we have the ice cream of the day. We have the walnut ice cream, roasted walnut caramelized ice cream. We have the strawberry cheesecake. We have the raspberry marquise, oatmeal cookies, tiramisu cream, chocolate sauce, and lime jam. So that's it, and enjoy.
Thank you so much. It looks so good.